Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into Equity Mortgage account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video without wasting much of our time. If you're trying to make a payment for your mortgage, you will need to log into your mortgage account online. First thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice, and in the URL box type in equitym.com. Press enter on your keyboard and you will find yourself in the official website for Equity Mortgage. Once you get to the official website, mouse over to the payment portal option and select one of the options. I'm going to choose the payment portal since we are trying to get to the payment portal and sign into our account. Now you will end up in the login page where you will need to enter your account's username and password. If you don't have an account yet with Equity Mortgage, you can create one by clicking on I am a new user and following the prompts. If you already have an account, you can type it down in the text box. You can type in the username in the text box and click on next. It'll then prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password correct in the text box. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot My Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login, and this will be able to log you into your Equity Mortgage account. Once you're logged in, now you can easily manage your account, pay your mortgages, view your transactions, and much more. That's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.